welcome back. Let's begin a new chapter in political science, chapter 3, that is electoral politics. Children, in this chapter we are going to understand how government used to work. Along with that, we will see the role of election. Here we know that people do not directly rule or govern any nation. For that purpose, we have certain procedure. That procedure is called as election. Through election, we elect our representative, and our representative, they used to govern our nation and they used to work for the welfare of the people. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance of election commission, the free and fair election, how does it conduct. Now let's begin the topic election. What is election? How does this election takes place? So children, election is a procedure through which we elect our representative for certain duration. That procedure is called as election. It means the procedure to elect representative for certain duration is called election. And in our country, this election takes place every after 5 years. So we are going to understand the procedure or the method of conducting election through the example of Devi Lal. Let us see with this video. In a democratic form of government, people elect their representatives and distinguish from democratic election and non-democratic election. In 1982, states of Haryana ruled by Congress government. However, the people of state were not happy with the government policies and the practices. As the time for the next election approached, an opposition leader named Chaudhry Devi Lal promoted the Nyay Yudh or Struggle for Justice movement and formed the Lok Dal party and joined hands with the other opposition parties against the ruling Congress government. In election campaign, he promoted Nyay Yudh. He promised to waive the outstanding loan of farmers and small businessmen if his party comes to the power and forms the government. This proved to the major attraction for the unhappy people in the state and Devi Lal's key to success. So, in 1987, in the state election, the people of Haryana put the ruling party Congress out, and Lok Dal party with 60 out of 90 seats emerged with the clear majority in the ruling. The member of newly elected state legislative assemblies announced Devi Lal as leader. He was appointed as the chief minister of the state by the governor of Haryana. As soon as Devi Lal took the charge of chief ministers, did not get time to fulfill his promises and waived the outstanding loans of all the farmers and small businessmen. Devi Lal party remained for 4 years until the next election held in 1991. This time, his party lost the election and Congress again came to power. We learned that people over the hundreds of the countries all over the world elect their representatives through election. Some of these countries are democratic while some are non-democratic. What is the need of election in a democracy? Firstly, we need to appreciate that in the larger community, it is not possible to sit all together regularly and decide on the various matters of concern. Therefore, people elect their representatives to manage their decisions. This process by which people choose their representatives at the regular interval of time is known as election. Let us see the closer look upon characteristics of democratic and non-democratic elections. Under democratic way of election, everyone has equal right to vote. and voters have right to choose the contestant by their own choice. The right to choose their representative is available after every equal interval of time, and therefore elections are held. And next and very important feature about this democratic election is that elections are conducted free and fair manner, where there should not be any kind of external pressure upon the voters. In this way, we have seen the feature of democratic election. On the other hand, in non-democratic election, people or the nation do not follow the complete features of democratic way of election. Is political competition is a healthy competition? That we are going to discuss further in next video. So children, hope with the help of this video of Devi Lal, you understood what is the importance of representative in governing the government, or we can say state. So in this way, we understood the importance of election in our life. So when we elect our representative, it becomes the foremost responsibility of our representatives to do the work for the welfare of people. If they are unable to fulfill all their promises, then next time people do not consider them for the place of representative. Same happened in year 1991 when re-election was conducted. That time Devi Lal's party did not win and Congress framed the government. Now in the next session, we are going to discuss what is the importance of election, or why do we need election. Further, we will in detail we will study about what are the steps of conducting election in our country. Children, let's do some questionnaire. Question 1 is, since 1982 to 1987, Haryana was ruled by which political party? Haryana Sangharsh Samiti, Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party or Communist Party of India. Next question is, in 1987 Haryana State Assembly elections, how many seats were won by Lok Dal alone? 60 seats, 76 seats, 90 seats or 45 seats. Now the last question is, which one of the following is not a factor that makes an election democratic? Number 1, there should be something to choose from. Number 2, parties and candidates should be free to contest elections. Number 3, the choice should not be offered at regular intervals. And fourth one is, the candidate preferred by the people should get elected. Answer all these questions in comment. Thank you for watching.